Hey there, Christopher here. Here's an update on the wallet selector as requested. Wallet selector is this little component up here where I can switch between the different wallets. Something to note here is that on desktop it is we have this top bar here with the wallet name, balance, and the keys up here. I can shift click it to switch between different balance types. And then on mobile, we don't have a top bar, but we have this type of thing, and that's why I can the wallet name and the balance are separate elements. They're not one, and I can click the balance to switch between balance display types, and then I can click the wallet name to go to see this wallet selector. Let's stay on desktop for a second. So here in this scenario, I have 3 wallets. I put in a little hacky thing where if you press the title, it just generates a random new wallet. So if you want more, you can see what that looks like. You can put 1,000 in there. It becomes scrollable. I made it so you should be able to see 10, and then the 11th one is cut off exactly in the middle. So it's kind of obvious that there's that there are more. So this is the simplest solution. There's also no scroll bar here, well, no visible one. As you scroll, when I hover, I see it, which is not very nice. I wanted to ask if we can customize this. If we need to have a scroll bar, we need to have a little bit more space on the right side where that scroll bar can then appear, because like, this here is pretty ugly. So that's something to sort out here. Then let's look at the wallet items themselves. I can hover them. Hover states only exist on desktop, not on mobile, so this is on desktop. And I can click on the left side here to switch to this wallet. The selector closes, my activity updates here. And then you see that this wallet's now at the top. So the sorting that I implemented here is that by last open. Now I don't know if we track this. So this is helpful. Let's say you have 1,000 wallets. Which no one has probably, be weird, but let's say the one that you use is always, let's say we do it alphabetically and the one that you use is always the 17th one, then it's kind of messy to do with. So the last open helps with that a little bit. I don't know if it's the best solution. We can come up with more complex, but it's a simple solution. Same with just scrolling, no pagination, nothing else. I was also looking for a simple solution. So let's say I'm going to go back to my family wallet here. Okay, now let's say I want to close out my wallet. So you see if I hover the wallet items, I have different icons on the right. So the one that I'm on, so you see how there's a separate kind of little button here, hover state. That's close wallet, and this here is remove wallet. So a wallet that's closed, I can remove it. A wallet that's open, I can only close it. So now I'm going to remove this wallet. I said I just used the default modal here, haven't come up with anything else. We should use our own native modals here. This is just the browser one, but we want to confirm it. Okay, now it's gone. It also closed my wallet. That shouldn't really happen. It should only just remove that one, right? Little bug in my prototype here. But let's say I want to close it. I get a different question. Sure, you want to close this wallet? Then I have no more open wallet. The tabs here have disappeared. Something we can do here is, like this technically is still the activity page with a state that says open wallet, and then I can open the selector here. But it might be better, and I did implement this for when you deleted your last wallet. So just refresh real quick. Let's say I close the wallet, I delete it, delete this one, delete this one. It navigates me to the block log, right? Because that is an actual screen. Like we don't have activity send and receive tabs at the top anymore, because you don't have any wallets open, right? So maybe we should navigate people also to the block log whenever there's no wallet open, right? So. And then if I have no wallets, I have this add wallet option. So add wallet, slides up. I go through my flow, add my stuff, and then I'm back here. Let's see. So let's take another quick look at mobile. On mobile, I can click this thing here. And these are the same elements. The only difference is that they're a little bit taller. So on desktop, it's 15 point or pixel size. On mobile, it is 18. Just feels a little bit more natural. Otherwise, it's identical. Right? It's this. We have this little dragger here, which is a common iOS thing to indicate that this is something I could drag up and down. It's not really necessary. We could also remove that one. There's a little bit more space at the bottom here because you often have kind of this home bar indicator on mobile, at least on iOS. Otherwise, the elements are pretty much identical. A difference is that because there's no hover state on touch inputs devices, right? The icons have to be shown at all times. On desktop, they only appear when you hover that item. And I think that's kind of it. I think I hope I covered all of the states. I had a few questions in here. Let me know how it looks and what I missed, and also if you agree with specifically about the scroll solution and also using last open to order wallets. So let me know. Thanks.